festivities. My name is Kelly Rodriguez, and I'm the co-vice president of the senior class of 2014.
And I'm Lillian Wallace, executive assistant. We would like to especially welcome all JHS alumni who have joined us this evening. In an effort to recognize you, we ask that all graduates of JHS who are in the audience today please stand. The students of JHS, thank you for your continued support.
Before we introduce the 2013-2014 Homecoming Court, I would like to introduce you to the last year's King and Queen, Justin Capuano and Kristen Santana, who will be crowning this year's winners. Wave. Now we'd like to present the Homecoming Court.
The first Queen candidate is Misty Newbury, daughter of Heather Harley and Todd Newbury. She is escorted by King candidate Brett Diener, son of Mark and Lisa Melquist.
The second Queen candidate is Tiana Morano, daughter of Chris and Julie Morano and Andrea Karash. She is escorted by King candidate Stephen Knoll, son of Steve and Sherry Knoll.
The third Queen candidate is Michaela Capistrani, daughter of Pierre and Cindy Capistrani. She is escorted by King candidate Christian Storms, son of Robert and Catherine Storm.
The fourth Queen candidate is Mackenzie Snyder, daughter of Tim and Lisa Snyder. She is escorted by her father, Tim Snyder, in place of Eric Tingu, son of Mike and Vale Tingu, who is a member of the football team.
The fifth Queen candidate is Kirsty Lynn Hansen, daughter of R. Mark and Cindy Lynn Hansen. She is escorted by King candidate Alex Harvey, son of John and Holly Harvey.
The sixth Queen candidate is Jada Olmo, daughter of Letitia Ferrer. She is escorted by Liam Kulikowski, son of Thomas and Margaret Kulikowski.
The seventh Queen candidate is Jackie Southwell, daughter of Brian Southwell and Michelle Southwell. She is escorted by King candidate Carrie Rizzo Walker, son of Carrie Walker and Rachel Rizzo.
The eighth Queen candidate is Emily Connor, daughter of Patrick and Vicki Connor. She is escorted by King candidate Andrew Caldwell, son of Steve and Mary Jo Caldwell. Before we announce today's winners, we would like to say thank you to all who have helped this year's homecoming, especially to our class advisor, Miss Morano, Mr. Frank, who took the court's headshots, the other class advisors, as well as Mr. Doles, the student organizer.